you're at the piano, all the little movements matter, from your fingers to your breathing and your hand position. When you're not at the piano, it's the same. This is hard for me. This is week 7 of becoming a pianist. Okay, now that we're at the piano, we are going to talk about how the posture should be looking and how our hands should be moving. For me, I have large hands. So for me, my fingers can cover a big portion of the piano, right? And that can mean a lot of things, like traveling up the piano, traveling down, what have you. But the focus of this week's lesson was to relax the hands. And that's so important with trusting yourself and learning a song. Like the song I just learned has this interesting part where it's, if you watch my fingers, it's kind of tricky. Let me try it again. So if you watch, it's these 3, right? And then switches. And while I was learning that, it was incredibly difficult at first. It's still kind of difficult. And the reason it was difficult is because my hand was stiff, right? But the more I practiced it, the more loose my hand got. And the better I could play it. And again, we're back to that one word, repetition. But yeah, like the lesson this week was really about being loose with your hands, right? When you're playing, like being loose. Because the stiffer your hand is, one, the worse it's gonna sound, and 2, it's hard to, right? That was stiff. Now, that was really like a good thing to drill into my head, is just to be relaxed, right? Remember to breathe. But also the form of my hand. So for the most part, I need to keep my hand, the backside of my palm flat, right? So if we watch, now throughout that, it definitely slants a little bit, but that was a big goal. But if we watch me play this very fastly, and you can see how my hand naturally will start to do this. And Actually, I don't know if it was that bad. Definitely a little slanted, but you can, if you look at my other hands, see how they're like this? See that finger? That needs to be relaxed, and that's something I'm gonna continuously work on. As time goes on, but that's something that I'm struggling with. And yeah, so the lesson really this week was really about not just piano, but the body and how your body is during this practice and during playing songs and learning songs. It's learning how to be calm and relaxed so that your fingers and your brain can do all the work. Because if you're stiff, it's just not gonna work. And it's the same thing, like, you know, they teach you in dance. It's like, loosen up, right? Loosen up. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like the video for me, subscribe for you, and the notification bell is whatever. Do what you want with that. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like the way the content is looking. I'm trying to figure out the best way to translate my learning progression and my progress. And I just hope it's enjoyable, and I hope you can learn something from it too with me. Thanks. Bye for now.